How to create gate entry in Businet. Users can create gate entry against both purchase order and consumable purchase order. Then users need to select the respective supplier and document number and enter the mandatory bill details. Once selected, the items will be populated against the selected document number. Further, users will enter billed and received quantity. Once document is approved, it will be forwarded to the QC department for inspection of the material. Also, users can generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact the Businet team.